Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw Blockdag X1. So if you are mining BDAG coins using the X1 application, before you try to withdraw them, there is one thing that is the important rule that you need to know. So to move your BDAG coins from the X1 application to the main Blockdag network, you must have at least 7,500 BDAG coins. Without this amount, you won't be able to withdraw your mining rewards. The rule is important because it helps the system work smoothly and it keeps things fair for everyone. Even if you have been mining for a while, you will need to reach that number before you can transfer your coin. So if you are below the limit, keep mining until you reach 7,500 coins. Once you reach that mark, you will be able to see the withdraw button. So you can use that withdraw button in order to withdraw your amount, and this way your withdrawal to the mainnet will be quick and easy. So to withdraw your coins, remember that the key is 7,500 BDAG. Then you need to download the X1 application and keep mining and stay updated by subscribing to Blockdag News. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.